Welcome to We Sometimes RV with Scott and Joy.
Let's try.
Hi, I'm Scott.
Hi, I am Joy, and this is Maggie.
And we sometimes RV.
Welcome to our channel. We will have videos on our channel about RVing, and we sometimes don't RV, so we have other videos on other matters.
I enjoy bass fishing and boating, so there's going to be videos on that, possibly videos on some of the fishing gear that I use, and also on home projects that I enjoy doing.
We are both retired. We were not new to RVing. We both grew up camping with our families, and everything from pop-ups to 40-foot Class A's.
So come along with us and enjoy our videos that are hopefully entertaining and informative. Please be sure to click on the subscribe button, hit the bell so you get notification when we have new videos coming out. Leave your comments below because we enjoy hearing your comments, and be sure to smash that like button.
Smash that like button.
Thanks,
And have a great day.